Once upon a time, when you've just started building your own compost bin and you were super excited, you've made sure that you've got good aeration, that you've got a good balance of green and brown matter, and you make sure that your compost bin is moist. Then life happened. You get too busy with all the other things that happens in your life, and all you end up is a big pile of rubbish, pretty much. So you're not alone. I am going through that right now. But if you can join me, I will show you how I remedied that for my own compost bin. Good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. So this is the bin that I'm talking about. And yes, this is what I'm talking about. So if you are following me on my channel, you will know that I am still using a smaller compost bin, and this is where I dump what I could not fit in that bin. So you can see in here, I've got paper, and I've got fruits that's not composted, and I also have some grass, weeds, and I've got bonus flies just lurking around there. So is this the end of my compost journey? Well, I've got very good news for you. It isn't. So, the good thing about compost is it is very forgiving. And even if that you don't have much time for the bin, once you start aerating it, once you start giving it water and mixing it a little bit, it will forgive you. And the bonus thing about this compost bin is that underneath that there is still a lot of composting, a lot of decompositioning happening. So with the use of my little helper, this turner that I picked up a long time ago, we will see what's underneath, and I will show you exactly what I mean by it is still composting underneath all this, and your time is not wasted with this bin, because if I turn this and if I just give it a little bit of a turn from underneath, and then I give it some water, this one will go back to life, and then it will start decomposing again. So I will just work towards it. So this is going to be very heavy because I haven't done this for a while. You can see all this matter. I haven't wet them, so I haven't really done anything with it. So what I did, I just dumped them in here. So we'll work on this side first. You can see underneath that you've got some decompositioning happening. So it's just about midway. I've got some soil happening, and I've got some worm doing the breaking down as well for me. So yep, so it is still pretty good, so it's not time wasted. So I might just fast forward because I don't want you to watch me the whole time while I'm doing this. So we will go fast forward, okay? So I have turned it as much as I could. It is getting a little bit heavy, and I could see that pretty much 75% of this bin is not composted yet. So because I think there's way too much brown, there's way too much paper, and there's not enough green that will balance this. So I might not be able to balance it. So remember, with a good compost, you need good aeration, good balance of green and brown, and also you need to have moisture. So at the moment I'm lacking all of that in this bin. So what I will do, just because I don't have any green to top this up with, now that I won't be able to give that that good balance at this stage. I have aerated it, so the last thing that I would do is just give it some water, just to moisten this whole bin. So I will give it a good soaking up, because it is very dry even at the bottom. By the way, I have rainwater, and this is what I'm going to give them. So I'm just making sure that the paper especially is well saturated. So I think that's it. That's all the water I will give it. At the moment, the paper is still not saturated, but at least it is wet. So remember, for a good compost to encourage decomposition or breaking down of the matter, you need three things. You need good aeration, good balance of green and brown matter, and you need to have good moisture. So I have turned it, so that's an aeration happening in there. I have given it some water, so that will be the moisture for this compost. I have not, but I will give it some green tomorrow after I picked up some weeds from the garden, and that will hopefully get the balance, or at least close to the balance of the green and brown. So so like I said earlier, so this is not going to go to waste. This will the breaking down of the matter will continue even if you don't do that, but it is ideal that you have those three elements happening to make it quicker. But don't be dismayed. The breaking down of this matter will happen. It might just be slower because you don't have the time allocated to make sure that you've got those three elements happening. So I hope you like this video, and if you do like contents like this, or you just want to hear more from me, please don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom or subscribe to my channel. But for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!